Hi, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm a little close, I'm in your face because the camera's literally right there. So I figured today I'll do some BoxyCharm rejects. Right now I'm getting ready to go out with my friends to the fair. Oh, sorry, if you're new here, hi, my name is XandiiJamell. It's French. I'm joking, it's not. But anyways, yeah, so I'm getting ready, so I figured why not film, and I don't feel like going with my normal setup, so I'll just put the camera right here and film. But anyway, I'm talking too much. So for today's BoxyCharm rejects, I'm going in my Laura Lee Party Animal palette, and this was given to me. I call it BoxyCharm rejects because I've got BoxyCharm, all the BoxyCharm products that I have, they were given to me by other people. So I'm taking this little elf strip and I'm gonna just rip it apart. These are very good. And I'm gonna place that right here. Give me some guidance. So I've used this palette once and it was all right. If you don't know who Laura Lee is, she's the girl that got canceled because of her apology. It wasn't the tweets, it was that apology. But yeah, she's a beauty guru, whatever. Let me see if I can zoom this out. Oh no, a little bit more. Okay, I feel like that's better. Now my eyebrows are a little dark today because I went ahead and set it with the dark eyeshadow because I'm gonna be outside. I've never been to the fair before, but I know it's warm today. And I'm not trying to sweat my face off. Now, I normally don't set my concealer, but because these shadows in this palette are kind of dry, I'm gonna go ahead and set my concealer using my Sacha Buttercup eyeshadow palette. No, my Sacha Buttercup setting powder. I don't know why, but just now I got really hot, like immensely hot. But yeah, this palette has bad reviews, which it rightfully should get it. It's kind of hard to work with. So if I can't create a look with this, or if I don't like how it turns out, then I'm gonna go into another BoxyCharm rejects, which is the Glam Metal palette by Crown Pro. So that's just the backup plan for now, but until then, let's get into it. All right, so I'm taking this brush, it's a Firma 201 brush, and I'm going in the shade It's a Party, and I'm gonna just tap that in. Okay, I'm already not liking it, but we're gonna keep it going. But yeah, a lot of people had canceled Laura. Me, I didn't, because first of all, she wasn't installed in the first place. I wasn't checking for her like that. And second off, I don't know. Cancel culture is just not progressive for society, but that's just my opinion on the matter. So I'm just starting by patting it in and then blending it, and I don't expect it to really show bright like it is in the palette. Okay, so I'm gonna leave it like that for now, and then I'm gonna go in, I think, Damage Control, which is this nice blue right there, a Morphe 562 brush, a small blending brush. This palette in the fallout is ridiculous. And I'm gonna just blend that in the crease. Now the blue is nice. The blues and the orange in here, that's like the most workable shades in this palette. I don't want to really like punch it in. I want to, you know, build it up. Make it nice and buildable. Because I do think I'm going to go in a darker blue too. Okay, Laura, you gotta give me something because I'm not liking this look so far. I'm taking this very old BH Cosmetics 104 brush. It's like an angle blending brush. And I'm going in the shade Karaoke. I feel like these mattes have no staying power. Like, I don't know if you can see, but it's not really there. It's there, but it's not there. I'm gonna cut my crease. I'm trying to keep it moving because I'm on the clock, and I don't know if I'm gonna have to end up wiping this off and just going with another palette. Okay, I'm using my Wet n Wild paint pot, and I'm gonna use that to cut my crease. I'm off my mojo, guys. I took it a little higher than I should have, so I'm gonna go back in damage control and try to do damage control. I'm just patting it on that little tip just to make it look kind of round. And I'm gonna go in karaoke. Okay, it's whatever, but I'm gonna trust the process. Now, the eye look. I think I'm gonna go in with bottoms up. I really wanna go in Hangover, but that shade is just too crumbly. Like this one, it's just, So I'm taking a flat shader brush, I'm going in bottoms up. Now this is a matte with glitter. I hate those shades. We're gonna see if we can make it work. Okay. I'm just pressing that on. I should have used a wider brush, but it's all good in the hood. I really gotta set this base. It's nice and thin, so I start by patting it in and then I go to swiping. All right, Miss Laura, I'm trying to work with you. I'm gonna go ahead and add a wing and see how I like it. And if I don't like it, then I'm just gonna wash it all off. All right, this is the It Cosmetics Superhero Liner. This is my go-to liner. I'm messing up. Okay, I'm gonna have to make this thicker because I messed up on my lids. Bear with me. This wing is horrible. This whole mess was a struggle. It's a struggle. Let me try to clean this up a little. What time is it? Because I'm running late. I gotta add some girth to this and clean it up. I may have to do it off camera. I normally don't struggle this much, but I normally don't do my liner on camera, so that's probably why I'm struggling. I'm struggling. I keep making it worse. So I'm gonna come back with my eyes done and we can proceed with the get ready process since it's clearly a struggle right now. I'll be back. I zoomed you in. As you can see, we were able to make it work a little. Now we're gonna proceed to getting ready because the girls are coming, okay? The girls are coming and I have to be ready for when they pick me up. I'm going in my First Aid Beauty Coconut Smoothing Primer. Sorry. I want to sparkle a little, so I'm going in my Liquid Frost from Jeffree Star Cosmetics. I'm gonna take a little bit. In my last video, I put like a whole drop on it. I'm gonna put like a half a drop. Someone texted me. I think they're on the way. No, not ready. No, okay, that must have been an email then. Okay, good, we're good, making good time. Of course, with the Liquid Frost, the best foundation that it goes with is the Kat Von D. Like, I know they don't like each other, but their products do, so yeah. And I'm not really squeezing none. I'm just smearing it. So it's not a lot on my face. Oh my God, the foundation, the smell is so strong. It's ridiculous. I'm wearing this foundation because it really holds up in the heat. I know people don't like Kat Von D because their whole stance on vaccine and whatever. Oh, and just because you use a person's products doesn't mean you agree with everything they do. Like, people on Twitter are crazy. I know people don't want to hear this, but to an extent it is able to just be about the makeup. Like, look at that glow, you guys. Look at that. It's beautiful. I was a young boy, my father said to me, da 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 da. Okay. But yeah, I love this foundation. It's good for long wear. I got this little tube for $18 and it's been lasting me a good while. So yeah, very good investment. I'm happy I got that. It's hot out today, and with this foundation, I like to use the combo with my Huda Beauty concealer. Now I'm gonna be mindful this time because you only need a little bit, like a little bit of concealer, of this concealer. And put it on right here first. Okay, and then I'm not squeezing it. I'm gonna just tap it, tap the excess. Yeah. Okay, maybe I'll squeeze it a little because I like to give myself a nice concealer mustache. I don't know if I'll film right here again because I just feel like I'm off my mojo. Like I feel scattered. Concealer brush from Ulta. And I'll just be patting that in. Or like this. Okay, pat that on in. You see how much this foundation like travels? You really only need a little bit, and I think it's a good investment because normally I think it's $30, but I got it on sale at Ulta with the little 20% off. No, not Ulta, the Sephora, their little sale. So I think this will also last you a good while, and I know people don't mess with Huda. It's just it sucks these days because you can't just talk about your love for makeup without, like, I don't know, being on eggshells or offending somebody, because not everybody buys different products and different brands like me. If I like something, I'm gonna buy it. Okay, I'm using this little mirror and I need something for the full face. Or I can just use the viewfinder. There we go. Oh, and this concealer is thick. If you put way too much on, it will dry your eyes out for days. Like, not even joking. Okay, so the glitter from this shadow, that pink shadow, is like traveling down into my eye and it's driving me crazy. All right. I'm going in my Beauty Bakery's flower powder and go in this little dual fiber setting brush from NYX. I'm telling you guys, I'm really off my mojo for this video. I don't even know if I'm gonna post it. Okay, sorry, gotta shake it off. Contour, Nubian 2, Kenya shade. Just a little bit. It's infixable, whatever. I gotta go. Elf setting spray. Gonna Jesus Christ. I learned a very valuable lesson while filming this video, which is don't film and get ready when I'm actually getting ready to go somewhere. I gotta do this in downtime because the pressure is on, and I'm probably gonna stay at my regular setup because I don't know, just felt my energy was off. Okay, you guys, I'm back filming on my iPhone because the camera was doing something strange. So yeah, this is the finished look, and I feel like the look is just a big fat nope. I want to put my hair up just to, that could like take focus off it. Where's the camera? Oh, this is the camera. Right, yeah, right here. Sorry, I'm holding it like upside down. But yeah, this is the finished look. I don't use this palette a lot. Now, I would say that it's not a cohesive palette that could function by itself. It's you know, standalone palette. It's not that. It's a supportive palette, meaning it has to go with another palette to add some support, and it mainly like needs a lot of support with my other palettes. But yeah, this is the finished look, you guys. I just wanted to show you. Yeah, it's a big fat nope. If I had time to wash my face and redo it over again, I would, but I don't. So yeah, the girls are coming. I gotta finish getting ready and yeah, go to the fair. Hopefully I like it. If not, whatever. But yeah. Any goodness, my hair looks a mess. I hold you. Oh, there we go. Better angle. Better angle. Better angle. Okay. But yeah, as always, thank you so much for watching this video, especially if you made it to this point, because the struggle was real. But no, for real. Thank you so much for your time and thank you for watching. And as always, I'll see you in the next video. And I hope you have a beautiful day, beautiful week, whatever. Bye.